Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to create a business card in Outlook Online. For that, we are going to cover in the Outlook desktop application. So this is my Outlook desktop application. Click on the insert option here and click on the three dots option here, and you can see the business card option, and click on this Henrietta Muller. So if I click on that, by default the business card which I have been created, it will display. If I want to remove this or delete this, just right click on this and click on cut option here. If I want to display without any name, so click on this option, again click on this business card and I click on no name. So without any name it will display. If you want to add the people in the contacts, just click on this option, again business card, other business cards, and click on OK. So this John will appear. So if I want to choose from the contacts option, so click on this business card again and click on this other business card, and here in contacts you can choose your contact mail ID. So already by default this is there. If I want to choose anything new, so if I want to add the people in the contacts of the book, click on this icon and for example Henrietta new entry. So I'm choosing this as a new contact. So here I'm giving last name Henrietta and company name is TSInfo. And if you want to give another details like home or mobile number or email address and IM address, if you want to give any other details, you can give it. And once you're done, is save and close. So once you added the person to the address book, here it will show, or if you click on this business card, here it will show. If you click on other business card, here it will show the recent contacts has been created. Here recently I have created Isaiah also and Henrietta also. So if I click on this Henrietta, then okay, then this business card will be created. So I have given this only one company details, like apart from the mobile number or role, I have given only company details, so that the thing only will display in the business card. So if I click on other contacts, like which I have created recently, click on the business card option and click on here. By default it will show this name. If you want to see on the other business card option, here also it will show with the name. So if I'm clicking on this, so it will, so with the name and the company details it will display. So this is how we have to use the create and use the business card in Outlook email or body of the mail for the desktop application. I hope you understood this video. For more video like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you.